When we get a brown mountain car?
Hey, Trevor.
I want. I swear I want to take y'all trout fishing.
Olivia.
What is that? Popcorn ball?
It's a video.
I thought there was something on my wall. Don't do that, man. Huh? Yeah, the wind is blowing.
Huh?
Hey, you got something?
A ball?
You're fine to talk.
Why?
Because we're at the river.
You mean your cheese puffs? Is he good? Hey, is he good? What did you say?
Here, let me do.
We shouldn't edit.
What did you say?
Jerry's the baby.
What was
Get
that?
that right there, right there.
I don't know.
What was that?
Which one?
Guys, something was just in the woods behind us. I heard it.
That
Hello.
That was bad.
It's not bad. It's just hooked to something.
I used the little
Something's going
green
up
one.
behind us.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, that wasn't the person up there.
all you gotta do is unhook it, Matt. Reach down there and grab your hook. Y'all be careful. There's people back here.
And
behind
watch
you.
out for Dad. He'll hook you in the head.
He shows no mercy.
Well, yeah, best.
Hello.
How are
Hey.
you?
Doing good. You?
Good.
You got wood. Do you know how to work that? You don't cross Dad. Go between him and Bentley. And watch where Bentley's got his throat. Or Ben.
Here's somebody swimming coming up. I hope they don't get in your line.
Well, that's their stupidity. They ain't even supposed to be swimming here. They are not supposed to be swimming. Who do you call? What'd you say?
Okay.
Give me your rod.
Yes, please. I
He's
did.
gonna swim right through.
I'd have nowhere to put him.
He's gonna know it when he pops his floaty.
He didn't get me fishing.
Where'd that go? Oh, I can't see him because of you.
He's gonna go right.
Is that good, Trevor?
There it goes. There it goes, Dad. There it goes. Wait.
It's him. He's
Trevor, is it good?
It's not. Watch
Trevor.
your line,
Look,
guys.
who's that? Who's that?
Oh, that was so funny.
Is he good?
He's right.
Can you say hey? Say hey. Say hey. Olivia, can you say hey? What are you doing? Where are we at? Are we fishing?
I'm trying to find
No.
No.
something.
We're at the river? Well, where are you? In the woods?
I'm trying to figure what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out.
At Trevor, where is Dumpkin? Where is Dumpkin? Here I am. Huh? Here I am. Huh?
Oh, I do too. I talk to anybody, Teresa.
How are you today,
You really
sir?
gonna have to do something.
Hey, we really been. Get him, Dylan. Don't.
Where
get him
is
tangled up.
Tompkin? Where is Tompkin? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I take you.
You gotta
Run
teach him how to
away.
do it, Keith. He's never
Run
reeled in a fish.
away.
What we got,
Don't pull
Lydia?
like that. Pull
We
back.
got one,
He
Lydia.
can't get it, Keith. He's having trouble. Ben said here, I want to see. It's a turtle.
Ain't in the hang yet.
For real?
Give me some slack.
You got something or you stuck?
No, it's something.
No, I was talking to Matt. He gets stuck in deep
Did
water.
he come off?
Yeah, it's a tree.
A tree?
Your dad caught a tree.
Fish. Where'd you put that hook? Right back in the box.
Pull it in, Keith, if it's in your way.
Babe, babe,
Oh, I thought it was like a limb.
are you caught on something? Oh.
Fake mine.
Never in it. Because I always film it. Oh, like the pictures I took today, I got some of everyone but me. What the world was that? Does he know what he's doing? Is he supposed to keep reeling it in like that?
That house over there.
Oh man, I was filming the sky.
Oh.
You wanna
Do
live
you
over
see
there?
that? Is that a trailer
Yeah, okay.
like built on top of a basement over there?
Where?
It's sort of.
Right across?
No, over that way. It's got 3 windows.
I don't know what it is.
Where? Oh crap! Hold it straight, Dad. Don't like hold it down.
You having fun?
Watch out!
Olivia?
He's about to snap that lawn.
Trevor? You having fun?
I told him not to throw right there.
Trevor?
If that snaps his babies.
You having fun?
Yeah, say
Yeah,
Papa's
cut
having
it.
fun.
Yeah.
Just cut it.
Are you outside?
It's my hood.
Are your
It's
cheese
alright.
puffs good?
He's gonna lose them anyway.
I'll find
We
one.
got
Man, you're gonna
Bluey
get
and
snapped
Bingo.
in the back of the head with the tree
You
stuff.
got Bluey and Bingo too, don't you, Olivia?
Don't film my failures.
Film your phone.
He got it. He got it.
Did it break?
I hope not. He's hung in the tree now.
It's what we always experience when we come to the river.
Yeah, they're gonna stay there.
Keith, you're reeling it in. You're reeling it all the way in. Jesus.
All your hard work.
I know. And then he said, who did all
I'm
that?
gonna get you something. Just give me like 10 seconds.
He got it in. He got it in. It's okay. You're safe.
Dang, I
Almost
got
got
you.
you. I ain't gonna let nothing get you.
Give it like 10 seconds, Dylan.
Trevor.
10 minutes, you mean?
Nah, 10 seconds.
Trevor.
Alright,
Johnny, Johnny.
here's what I want you to do.
Olivia, Johnny, Johnny.
Put that.
You don't want to play it.
It's just weights. It's just weights. Take those.
Where is Dumpkin? Oh, don't sing it.
Tackle box right there on the bottom shelf. Oh,
Don't do that. How are you today, sir? How are you today, sir?
Buddy, give me a second.
My dad done tore it. He said, "Who tore all them rods up?" He's the one doing it.
Look at that.
That's sharp. Don't
Owie.
ever touch one. Look what I did to my little finger.
That ain't mine.
What?
Look right there.
I wish I like band-aids on my finger.
Hey, we might can watch videos. Don't know if I got signal here or
Videos? And come outside to get away from TV.
not. She said, "Did he find the spot 44 minutes ago?"
It sounds good.
Good.
No, here I am.
Buddy, I'm trying. I'm sorry.
How are you today, sir? How are you today, sir?
Bentley, it was behind you.
What just happened?
You gotta reel it up. Reel it all the way to the end.
What happened?
He tried to throw it and the bait was
missed
behind him on the
everything.
ground.
Ain't no bait on it.
What
I
is it?
guess. Yeah, it's a lure.
Well, it was behind him on the ground and he tried to throw it. It flew in front of Matt. It almost went in Matt's head.
No, don't hit it before you throw it. I mean, before you're
supposed to
ready.
hold it. Good job, but you didn't go very far.
There ain't no bait on it, so I'm probably not gonna catch it.
No, dude, you ain't fishing on it.
Here I am.
You wait till you get it behind your back before you push the button.
How are you today, sir? How are you today, sir?
Baby, I thank you.
Run away.
Papa even knows those songs.
Where is something? Where is something? Here I am.
Here Boy.
Run away.
I think it's the operator.
I don't have no bait. I'm not gonna catch none, no way.
It's only gonna take me
Are
5
you
minutes.
singing?
Run away. Run
Wait.
away. Where is dear? Where is
Wonderful time. That took me an hour just to get that off. What am I doing?
It wasn't recording, baby. You didn't let Mama hit record.
Hello.
Well,
Now it is.
I didn't
That's
even
his
know.
aunt.
When I saw her, I didn't even know who she was. I thought Mom was just talking to another Gabin person.
Now use one of those.
Record it again. There's record. You
Popcorn.
gonna sing?
No, it looks like that.
Corn puff.
Where is something? Here I am. Here I am. How
What is?
Corn puff.
These things. These things?
Run away. Run away.
Oh. I should have brought their Mom. Mom.
Okay, let's see.
What's wrong with it?
It's
Oh,
all
because it's
busted.
Mom.
Huh?
Fish with the chicken.
What?
I should have brought those stickers
What sticker?
that keeps the
Oh yeah,
birds.
mosquitoes and ants and stuff away.
Can you say cheese?
Where is Duncan? Where is Duncan?
Here
Here
I
I am. Here I am.
Oh, this
How are
carrot's
you today, sir? Very well, I think. Run away.
here, Trevor. You want to sit on Momo's lap and watch videos? Come here. You want to watch videos?
Mommy, do you guys see you on there with Ben on it?
Mr. Cheese Puff.
Why are
Can we go to that museum?
Why
He looks so cheese.
Can
Can we go to the museum again
Hey,
tomorrow?
everybody.
Thought about
Yeah,
it,
we're
but I don't know about
fishing.
tomorrow.
We're not.
We're not
Somehow I feel,
fishing.
Ben, 'cause
We're
tomorrow's
watching them
holiday
fish.
soon, and I don't have no money. I'm gonna be depressed.
That's why you go somewhere else that you like.
No. Boy, just for
You want to record for a minute? Okay, you got it.
you go.
What's he showing?
I know.
Okay, Olivia's recording.
Billy, how about you leave the fishing to me?
I see Ben. Ben, say hello.
Hola, amigo.
Hello. I'm not Ben, but that's who you're facing it at.
Nope, I just fishing it.
You're facing it at you.
Nope, I just waiting.
Hola, amigo.
Hey Ben, that ain't what you say. That's hello say.
Show brother.
Nope, I don't want to show buddy. Hello? Say mama.
I turn it that way to say mama.
Mama.
Hello.
That's hello. Hello.
Hello.
Is that daddy?
Daddy.
What is that?
Don't let you skunk us. Whatever that means. Dad. Sabrina said she caught a little one. Dad said, well, we ain't gonna let you skunk us.
Olivia.
What does that mean?
Mama. Brother.
I've been fishing all the time.
Mommy. Papa. Let me go show Papa.
Gummy worms up in here, she'll laugh. Those gummy worms.
You see?
I can't.
Gummy worms catch mice.
There you go. There he is.
Papa?
Uh,
Catch what?
mice. Steve used to put gummy worms on his mouse trap, and he'd catch mice every time.
Mama, brother.
I tried it, but
Mommy.
didn't catch nothing.
Hello.
Ben. Papa.
Look, you got
Billy.
here. Ready? Ready? Watch. Papa. Ben. Daddy. Bentley. Mama. Brother. Ready? You. Me.
I'm Mommy. Let me record.
Okay, you got it?
Uncle
Yeah, pay attention to what you're filming.
Papa.
Yeah.
Is that Papa?
Daddy.
Don't look.
And Billy.
Look, there's a tree,
Yeah, see?
the water,
The last
and trees.
see. Also the surfer.
That's how you do it, Becky.
And the share.
You tell he's been carp fishing.
Huh.
He threw that perfect way out
My
there.
Where's my...
Oh,
Hey, Billy. Billy,
oh.
a green
This is
flag.
different. Hey, Mommy, I went down too. Went down too.
Okay, you want me to record you?
No,
Say
no,
hey.
no.
Oh.
Carp bait, because it breaks off after. Right over there, but I'll get you hooked up. I don't know how to throw those rods, though.
Hello. We're not getting in it. That's as close as you're going. Wonder what's in that.
I'm gonna move down, I think. Something's nibbling on mine.
Who's that? Say hey. no.
The whole entire thing. The whole entire thing moved.
Can you say I
Wow.
love you?
Mommy,
Where is Duncan? Where is Duncan? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away.
Dad, this one got
Where
something.
is Splinter? Where is Splinter? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away.
Probably my
I
car's still on there because
love
me and brought it in.
you.
It's already melted off by now.
Hey!
Oh, that went in my hair.
Did you got
I felt safe. Yeah, I took my base.
No, you're not fishing if you act like it.
Those corn puffs get off way too fast.
Olivia,
That's what they're supposed to do.
okay, nip.
That was the carp, man. Where? Yeah, I know. Where? That's
Look, he caught a fish.
Really? Don't stand. What you doing holding it like that? Here. This is your Look at it, Olivia.
That's a big fish.
Oh!
You lost it.
Dad's hooks.
That was a big fish.
Dad, he don't jerk them hard enough to hook them. He just,
Did he jerk it or you?
Dad?
That was a big carp or something.
No, it was just a catfish.
It was big.
Look at all these. Friends.
Throw it back out there and get
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Wow, Olivia, we'll catch you today.
Eyes and ears and mouth
I ain't got
and
nowhere to fish,
nose.
Mom, where do I fish at, Mom? Huh? Where do I fish at?
Yay, did you do it?
Beneath his belly. His
them
belly.
catfish.
Just grab the line and hold it, dude.
Yeah, grab them on.
Hold on, baby. I'm stuck.
All right, now
Hold
I'm
on.
gonna teach you
I
how
want
to
to fit
touch it.
get a picture. Hurry before it dies. That's
I'm
a baby.
trying. I gotta unlock
That's
it.
10 times littler than the other one.
Yeah.
That didn't jerk
Hold
the
it up.
other one
Say
hard enough
cheese.
to smile. Now he's happy he got put on Facebook.
He got put on.
Facebook?
Well, that's where you're going.
Hold
Belle,
this
and
up. Hold
YouTube.
this up. Get it?
I wish I can ride a boat with y'all. No, I wish I ride a...
You want to ride a boat? Yeah.
Maybe when I'm older. I wish I can. With
Maybe we
my mom.
can one day.
Yeah, one day.
Good.
Do you want me to take these two with me?
You, Dad.
I used it on
Matt just
someone.
hooked your dad. Ben.
How do you do that?
Oh,
Say love y'all.
well that
Say see y'all at the house, not the camera, the people.
Yeah, to put my baby.
See you at the
You
house.
keeping it?
I would throw it in. Throw it in there.
I
The
think
river
I
after
could
you're
go
done.
with y'all.
Yeah, you're cool with
Looks like
us.
hamburger.
Because we're going to go get you a bath.
No,
Don't try to. You'll
Where's my
backlash.
She's coming.
Where's my husband?
You'll backlash.
Mama don't have a hand for you to hold.
See you later.
Dad, he
Bye-bye,
needs your
baby.
help. He'll backlash.
Hey, Trevor said I picked this up.
Oh,
I
we
picked
take so-
I picked my rod up. I said
Let's
so
go.
cute. He said so cute. So cute. Oh, I love you. I'll see you later.
Did
Bye
you get
bye.
his passes?
Yes, in
Ben,
my
all y'all
pocket.
got left
You
is
need
what?
any drink in there?
No, just make sure that you get my chairs and put them back in the pouches.
Okay.
I mean it.
Yeah, I know. I got
Is that too much? Did you want me to take that bag?
it. No, I got it. I got it. I'll put my one. Let me make sure it's back.
You coming? Don't leave us. Are we going that way?
It's not the beach, baby.
That way or this way? Which way you going? Through the woods or down there?
Probably down through. Well, how steep is it that way? It looks steeper.
Let's do it, Alex.
How did I come up?
You hold on to the tree. Hold my hand. Let Mama get down and then she'll help you down.
Okay.
If you're not careful, you'll end up in that water.
My Mama will help you.
Come here.
You got it.
Hug my neck. Hug my neck. I got you. Make sure he don't go in the water with Trevor. Because if you're not careful, the way that twist.
You can walk for Mama, baby.
Give me your hand. Okay. Careful. Oh, careful. How did we do this? We didn't walk through that.
You go back.
Huh?
You go back.
Go back where?
Back towards that grill. That way.
Where's the grill?
You don't see it right there? I don't know.
Did we walk past it?
Yeah.
Won't be long and we'll be out here. This way?
Yeah.
Careful, it's sneaky. Good. Now we gotta go up.
You jump. I can't do it.
Mommy, look at that pony.
Oh, yeah, it's doggy. No.
I stabbed myself in the stomach.
How?
You go further down.
What did you say?
I stabbed myself in the stomach with that.
Are you okay?
I was more worried about getting her off that hill. She was sliding. Careful.
Slow down.
She's going up the side. Don't fall. There you go.